When you go online and sign up for something, you're likely to come across something that is fairly common, and if you're thinking of Captchas, you're absolutely correct. Captchas are simply a method of ensuring that you are not a robot and that you are an actual human being. They may bother and annoy you at times, but that is most likely because you haven't watched this video yet. When I'm finished, I'm confident that you'll reconsider how you deal with Captchas from now on. In this video, I'll show you an incredible but simple way to make money from Captchas. All you have to do to learn about this brand new money-making method is to watch this video all the way through. Just a word of caution, don't skip ahead so you don't miss out on a lot of important information. You'll need to listen very carefully so that you fully understand everything. Now, before we begin the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit on the notification bell for future updates. Now, let's jump right into the first website, which is called megatypers.com. Right away, you can see the entirety of what the website is, in just 4 words: easy job, easy money, as seen right here. Megatypers is a workforce management company that provides data entry services to private and public institutions. To quote the platform's overview, our main goal is to support our clients' digitization requirements by converting scanned papers into editable digital documents. Our services also include image-to-text recognition, transcription from voice to text, and assisting the visually impaired in overcoming the visual challenges of the internet. What do you require to profit from Megatypers? You don't need to read much further because everything is already openly presented on the main page right here. Basically, they're looking for typers who have a working device, a stable internet connection, and a consistent and proficient typing ability. They need typers who can type at least 10 words per minute. This is so simple that even 7-year-olds can do it. Anyway, this method is all aligned for your benefit because your workouts are completely flexible and you can simply perform your tasks whenever you feel like doing them, and there are more rewards for you if you're more proficient in typing. The next thing I want you to do is click on the free sign up button, which is located in the upper right corner of the page. Once you click on that, you will be redirected to this page where you can fill in all of the necessary information for the registration process. Begin by filling in the fields for your email address, password, and name, then choose a payment type. For the invitation code, open a new tab on Google and type in Megatypers invitation code. Just obtain the code from the search results and type it into the field on the application form. Once you've completed that, click the box to indicate that you agree with this statement, then click the other box to complete the CAPTCHA, and finally click the submit button. Welcome to your brand new account with Megatypers. Now, this is your dashboard. Go to the section for Typer Solver, and it will take you to this page, where you will be introduced to the overall program. What is Type Solver? It is a secure desktop application that allows a user to get faster images and better high-paying images. You can literally find anything about the program on this page as it contains all of the most frequently asked questions. Every detail is just right there, so by all means feel free to browse through the page and find out everything that you need to know. As I previously stated, you can obtain faster images that can pay you at a faster rate, such as puzzle captchas and smart captchas. Take a look at this. They can pay an additional 150% for solving smart captchas and puzzle captures, which is a significant benefit with this information. Without further ado, let's download the software. Scroll all the way back up to the page and you'll see this button that says click here to download Typer Solver. Click on that and the download will begin. Once it's finished installing, click the software icon and you're good to go. The first thing they'll ask you to do is sign up with your email and password for this one. Remember to use your login credentials that you provided earlier so that they accept it without question. Then click on the login button, and you'll see this blank page right here. Now, simply click on Start and another window will appear. The next thing you'll do is basically finish all of the puzzle captures until you have succeeded. Everything that follows will be the same thing but with different instructions, so make sure to follow what they are saying so that you get it right. As time goes on, more and more captchas will be created, and you will even be able to complete some smart captchas. Just take your time and have fun answering them. I'm going to show you a bonus trick that will undoubtedly increase your earnings, and it involves Megatypers affiliate program. Return to your dashboard and navigate to the affiliate section. Once there, you will see that you will earn a 10% commission on anyone you invite to work in Megatypers. You will simply need to provide them with an invitation code and they will be counted as one of your referrals. That will be all for today. Let us know in the comment down below if you have any questions. If you liked our video, give it a thumbs up. Until next time.